Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this, I would say natural vibe, glowy, but like makeup from within glow, you know? We're going quite natural. It's going to be like skincare based products to give you the glow rather than like a highlighter, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys this video. This is a collaboration tutorial, so I am in partnership today with Lil A. I have been using them for a couple of months now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys the skin regime that I've been using and the products that I've been loving from their whole range. And I'm excited because I fucking love their products. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear, but anyway, I did. So yeah, anyway, I'll get into this tutorial and I hope you do enjoy. So I've already prepped my skin. I was fortunate enough to be gifted some products by Lil A, and ever since I've got them, no joke, I've been using them all the time. I've been loving using the Truth Serum. I use 1 pump of this all over my face. For my C Crush Brightening Gel, I literally just use a kind of little pea-sized amount of the gel. So before we get on with the makeup, I'm just going to prep the rest of my face, and I'm going to be using my Lil A Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is a little pot of goodness, let me tell you. So there's so many benefits in this eye cream to give you that luminous glow and that more like awake feel. So if you're like me and I struggle with sleep is not like my best friend, even though I do love it, my body doesn't want to go to sleep, then I definitely need like a pick-me-up before I do my makeup, or if I'm having like a no makeup day and it's in my skincare regime, just to give me that brightness and look like I've actually had 12 hours sleep. So basically I'm conning the world into thinking that I've had a nice 12 hours sleep when actually I haven't. Probably about that. I mean, that's quite big I think for eye cream, but I like packing on a bit, and I take it on the back of my fingers and I rub it in and then I dab it underneath my eyes. Like, not only does it have ingredients to like praise, because it has aloe juice in, which is going to like nourish and like revive the under eye. So if you're very dry under there, then I definitely recommend this. I'm oily skin, so I really don't have a problem with dryness. It's more preventing wrinkles. I wear so much makeup that I end up taking off my makeup quite a few times during a day. So, and like obviously I said I don't get much sleep, so this is like a perfect kind of skincare, what's the word? Skincare. If you find like your concealer creasing or looking dry, then like you'll see such a difference when you put this on. You can literally just like mix a bit with your concealer and then like be done with your makeup if you want to go for that kind of no makeup look. I'm going to go for a little bit more of something because it's the time of month and we've got some situations going on right now. Also, the first thing you'll notice about this is the smell. It's like honestly smelling like orange blossom. It's so beautiful, and it does contain vitamin C, which is bloody brilliant. So I'm very particular I'm very particular when it comes to skincare and using products on my face. I always look at the ingredients, and this just makes me want to bathe in it. When you use it, you'll know. You'll be like, yes, Amy. And then something exciting, actually, I got given this probably a month before it actually launched, which was super exciting because normally I get things like when it launches, like everybody else. I get my hands on it when everyone else can. I went for a meeting and they gave me this and they were like, keep it secret, Amy, don't show anyone. And it's basically the Banana Bright face primer. It's a face version of the eye cream, and because I'd already used the eye cream, I was like, damn. And again, it's got that yellow tone to it, so it's got the banana powder like inspired pigments throughout it, and I just kind of run it in my fingers and I'll press this in to all the areas that I just want to add a bit of smoothness, because it smooths all your pores out and fine lines, but then it also adds a nice glow. So then now that the face is prepped, we can go on to the makeup side of things. I am just going to spray my face with some coconut water. So I'm going to prep my eyelids for a bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock It In concealer. This is in the shade Warm, just a little bit, and then I'm going to grab my sponge and blend it out. I'm going to show you as well how to get my faux freckles, because so many people ask me whenever I do it for Instagram. And then I'm just using some translucent powder from Kat Von D. I've never used this powder. I've always had the like coloured ones. And everyone used to rave about this, so I'm late on the bandwagon. I'm actually going to use bronzer. I'm going to use the new Hoola Caramel bronzer. This came in PR actually. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my Morphe M504 brush and just pop it in the crease. That was a bit too much, wasn't it? And then I'm just going to take a little smudgy brush. It's the Precision shader from Makeup Addictions. And I'm just going to take like a dark brown. This is the Francation palette. And I'm just going to pop this on the outer corner of the eye. You can like make a little wing if you want to. I suppose I could. So I'm going to actually use a foundation today. You don't have to, but because I'm like a different colour from my body because I have just tanned, we need to correct that. But I'm going to use a little amount. I'm not going to use a lot. And I'm going to take the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 220. And I'm literally going to take, probably won't even need that much, but I'm just going to take that much on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take my Dose of Colours foundation brush, and I'm just going to lightly apply that on. And then now we're going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. I'm just going to apply this on a couple of blemishes that need some extra attention. And I'm going to apply a little bit underneath the eyes as well. And then I'm just going to dab my sponge over the top. And then I'm going to take a tiniest amount of the translucent powder. I don't want loads and loads. I'm just going to dust this under my eyes. And we still have, you can see there's the glow still coming through my foundation. So then, now, what am I going to do? I think let's bronze up the skin. I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand, a tiny bit on my tapered brush from Dose of Colours. And I'm just going to apply a bit where you would like normally contour. Then I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to be taking the Benefit They're Real mascara, but I need to find my lash colours. Also, I am so proud of my lashes. They've been getting so long. I'm proud of the growth. They've had a 2019 little glow up. For my lip liner today, I'm going to be taking the Barry M Lip Liner To Go. And then I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in Yes Girl, and it's got like gold, almost like flecks of glitter, I guess. Really fine though. It's just like that bronzy, beachy summer vibe. So for my freckles, what I use is the Phil Smith Root Touch-Up Spray. This is for light brunette hair. You can also get L'Oreal Root Touch-Up Spray, but what I always do is just get a little bit of kitchen roll and just make sure like your pressure is fine. So I know like, okay, that's the pressure I need to give me freckles without it going mad. This is when it'll go wrong. But then I just kind of like lightly spray it on my face. So yeah, I saw someone do this on YouTube, so I'll link her video down below if I can find it, but this wasn't my original idea, this is someone else's, but I think it's great. And yeah, this is my light kind of summer trick in the world that I've slept 12 hours when I haven't, just like bright, light, natural makeup look. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me some comments down below and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining in. And until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you very soon.